So hey everybody, and as always, welcome to the channel, and thanks for stopping by for a few. My name is Rich Charpentier, I'm the channel host, and normally we are doing lots of coverage on drone jobs, doing construction progressions, and imagery in general for clients in the greater Prescott, Arizona area. So today's a little different. We're not on screen today. We're not doing some kind of tutorial or anything. I just wanted to sit back today, make a short recording for everybody, and bring you up to speed with AZ Drone. So normally I'm trying to do regular live streams every Wednesday, but sometimes the live streams just don't work out or too much time on the topic. We've got a lot of editing that needs to get done. So you can see the whole computer setup in here right now in the micro studio setup. I've got 3 different videos that I'm working on this week. I just finished off 2 other ones, so 5 videos in a week's time plus other flights. We've got currently 4 active drone construction progression reports that we're generating, and we're building our new site called seemybuild.com, where we're going to be just focusing on construction progression. It's not just going to be for the builders, but the home buyers can also obtain our services, and agents and brokers can also work directly with us. We've been finding as we're doing this kind of work that a lot of people are actually interested in it. So we've actually met neighbors of build sites that we're doing who wish that they had done something like what we do. And we're also meeting other people with new construction sites who are considering doing long-term construction progression to show their home builds. So while we started this all out with a lot of multifamily residential, so high-end luxury apartments, for instance, we're finding ourselves getting more and more calls from individual builders, individual owners, and they're all interested in documenting their build-outs from start to finish. So at the start of this week, we were actually out for several hours at 3 different construction sites. All 3 of them are at different stages. One is just starting the raw land movement, so they're setting everything up for where they're going to do a concrete pad. We've got another home that's about halfway erected, and then we've got a 3rd one that's actually got the roofing materials and everything up top. So those are very actively going on right now. We've got one other raw land site that we've flown as well. Last week, we actually were out on location for over 4.5 hours at one place, just waiting on construction equipment to get in, and the construction equipment was delayed. By the way, it was in the mid to high 90s while we were out there, so made for a very long day. And then at the end of that day, we also had a charitable shoot that we were doing some drone work for a local charity as well. So it's been crazy busy here. I've got plenty of topics to work with, but at the moment I would like to get myself caught up, and that's something that's going to happen as you're growing your drone business. You're going to hit a point where you might be so busy that you're looking for other people to actually help out or sub jobs out to. And if things continue going the way they're going here for AZ Drone, then yes, we're actually going to be looking around for other folks who can pick up some of these jobs for us, as we like doing the longer term ones. We've been getting a lot of interest from insurance adjusters after our crazy monsoon season here and some of the hail that we've had, and we're still getting regular inquiries every single week about shooting raw land locations all over the place. So we've been as far north as Williams, Arizona, and we've been as far south as the Tucson area. Not this year, that was last year and the year before, but we're finding enough work here in the Prescott area now that's just keeping us busy. So keep in mind, as you're growing your business, it might be a little slow right now, but you know, as you get going and you keep producing consistent results for your clients, I can promise you you're going to get referral after referral. And then you really need to, you know, take a moment, step back and say to yourself, do I want to do these insurance rooftop jobs? Do I want to do these small raw land jobs that are 80 or 90 miles away? And you can start picking your jobs at your own discretion. So that's something to look forward to. All right. This was, like I said, just going to be a short video, so I just wanted to catch you up on where we're at. So today I'm going to be doing some more work for one of my clients. Also, in the background, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we've got PrescottLive.com up. We're still doing some testing with that. So if you want to see what it's looking like in Prescott today, pop on by PrescottLive.com and you'll actually see what downtown's looking like. We have been troubleshooting some issues with the camera that we've selected. We might be swapping that camera out, so we're still in the testing phase, but yeah, it's open to the public to take a look at. So just a little side project, you know, not one of the big projects going on, but I think it's a fun and interesting one. A friend of mine had suggested they'd like to do that since there weren't any actual live cams downtown anymore. There is one other live stream coming from the Touchmark building, which is out off of Route 69, up near the, what is it, the Gateway Mall and the Walmart up there. So take a look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And next week we'll be back to a regular tutorial video, I'm sure, and potentially a live stream. Once we're all caught up and I can just pick one project at a time, it'll be easier to plan our next video tutorials here. All right, everybody, have a great one. Once again, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a bit. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe down below, and you'll get notifications as to when we put out our next drone videos or our next drone job videos. See you again soon.